Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, my students. How are you today? Fine? Okay. Today, inshallah, we are going to start the first lesson and unit in English, which is Unit 1, Lesson 1. But before starting, let me ask you some questions. My first question is, who is your best friend? Again, who is your best friend? For example, my best friend is Sarah. You can also say, my best friends are Sarah, Amal, and Lana. You can also say, my best friends is Lama. So, you should start answering each questions by saying a complete sentence. My best friend is Selma. Okay? That's the end of my own lesson for today. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you tomorrow. That's the end? Okay, now today is, and the date. My friends. My friends. Who is your best friend, girls? Yes, bravo. My best friend is, for example, Sarah. You can also say, my best friends are Selma, Lama, and Tala. Okay? Now, the first word in our lesson today is friends. Say it again. Friends. Friends. Again. Friends. Again. Friends. Friends. Okay. Can you make a sentence using the word friends? Yes. My best friend is Amal. Okay? That's the end of my own lesson for today. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next week.